Hey everyone, welcome back to Universal Tech Academy. Today, I'll show you how to enable nested virtualization on Hyper-V, step by step. If you are into IT or virtualization, this is must-know trick for advanced setup. If we are talking about the purpose of nested virtualization, so nested virtualization allow you to run a virtual machine inside another virtual machine. So it's perfect for lab environment or testing scenario. So let's dive right in. Here, if you are looking for system requirement for nested virtualization, here we'll have Windows machine. So Windows machine should have Hyper-V installed, a CPU that support Intel VT means virtual technology or AMD virtualized processor, then a virtual machine creating Hyper-V. If Hyper-V is not installed yet, check out my previous video on how to install and configure Hyper-V. Link in the description. Okay. First, ensure the machine you want to enable nested virtualization, it should be turned off because nested virtualization setting cannot be changed while uh, a machine is running mode. Okay, so for now, let me show you here. As you can see, I have a computer. Their name is nested VM, right? So if you are looking into current situation or current state, here you can see if I am trying to install Hyper-V into this virtual machine, it won't allow. Because I just created a new scratch machine here, so I just want you to know that what will happen if I am directly trying to install Hyper-V in any virtual machine. So can you see here, it's saying that Hyper-V cannot be installed, the processor does not have required virtualization capabilities. So that doesn't mean that your processor doesn't support, but here we need to enable hyper-virtualization extension into a virtual machine. After that only it will be possible to install Hyper-V over any virtual machine. All right. So first, uh, shut down this machine because we are not supposed to enable extension on running machine. So I'm going to shut down. So as you can see here, I have already stopped that machine, and then after open PowerShell as an administrator here, and here we'll have a command Set-VMProcessor VMName, which means virtual name. Here as you can see, I have a virtual computer name given here. It's a nested VM. You can use any other name rather than nested VM. So this is just for the name of a PC. So whenever you will see a name of the PC, if you are looking into the virtual machine, here I have assigned this PC as a nested VM. So here nested VM machine, uh, rather than nested VM, I could write any other name, but whatever name displayed here, you should mention the same name inside this script, inside this command. So here, all right, and then expose virtualization extension would be true. Okay, otherwise it doesn't work. And if you would like to disable, you just make it false. So true means enabling and dollar false means disable. All right, so let me run this command first. Okay, there is something issue with it. Okay, I have to remove this one. Nested, because this is the name of the PC. Oops. NSTED. Oh, no. Okay, it has been run completed. So after that, let me start this one. Let's start that machine. Let me log in this one. As soon as I log in into this machine, you can see now it will allow me to install virtualization technology into it. Okay, so let me try to install once again, and let's see what will happen after running this command. Before, as you can see, before it's showing there's some issue. Now it's working, right? So now I can install. Yeah, all right, and install. Wait for complete the installation portion, and I'll say the other stuff with it. And as soon as installation succeed or completed, you can see system need to restart. So close it, close the windows and restart. So after restart, here you can see under tools Hyper-V manager, or simply you can search Hyper-V. And you can see here, right? So yeah, I have just installed Hyper-V. Now it's ready to create any other virtual machine inside this virtual machine. That's why I call them nested virtualization. So let me show you. Yeah, all good. I don't have network for now. So here I use a number of storage space. I can install from ISO file, but right now I don't have, so I just let you know how to create. Right, and similarly you can create switch here, use external create, and then after you can assign any name for this switch. Let's say test. Okay, yes, done. And later on you will use the same switch to this machine. So just right click into that machine, go to the settings, and here under network adapter, just select the test network adapter. All done. Now if you are looking for internet access, so for internet access, you need to go to the nested VM first, here, not inside the virtual machine, to the host machine, and here under network advanced feature you can see here MAC address spoofing. So you just need to enable this one, and after that your nested VM have internet access. All right, if you forget to enable this one, you never have internet access into your nested virtual machine. All right, so just make sure, okay, enable MAC address spoofing should be enabled. Then after only you guys can have internet access into this test machine. All right, it's a nested VM. So I already showed you the other way to enable internet access into nested VM. Similarly, here I am going to show you, you can use even creating netting, or either you can use MAC spoofing. So we have two ways to enable internet access into nested virtualization. The one way is called nested VM. Under advanced feature, enable this one, MAC address spoofing, or the other one is the netting. All right, so I hope you guys know how to enable nested virtualization, enable internet access into it. So it's a simple and powerful feature for anyone diving into advanced virtualization. All right, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any update. Comment below if you have question or idea for further videos. See you in the next one.